Hi there, this is Kirsten Allstaff, Musical Director of the Online Academy of Irish Music, and I'm here today with some very exciting news about what we've been up to for the past year. You'll remember that this time last year we had our very first user survey at OAIM, and a whopping 98% of the 1,000 users who responded said they would recommend us to family and friends. We got some amazing feedback, and we've spent the last year implementing some of your ideas and innovating with ideas of our own. If you sign into your OAIM account, you'll see the user dashboard has been upgraded in a few different ways. Chief among these is the search function. We've invested heavily in the background infrastructure and put a lot of thought into how to best support musicians in their learning journey and in mastering their craft. We came up with this very special search function, which I'll describe in detail in a separate video. We've also changed the name of our jam session to Play Along Backing Tracks to better describe the function this learning support provides. We've added a huge number of tracks to this ever-growing library. Thirdly, we've taken our recording studio out to another Irish pub to record even more VR sessions, building our virtual library. Again, our video production is all high definition with excellent sound quality because we believe you deserve the best quality music playback when your learning depends on it. Fourth, we've nabbed our very popular guitar tutor, Cillian O'Dallagh, and recorded a brand new guitar course. This will be available from Christmas Eve 2017. So if you love Irish music, then OAIM is waiting for you to join our online community of Irish musicians in the company of some of Ireland's finest teachers.